Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, in this video we will be seeing guidance with respect to your career, and this is only about your career, okay, not money over here. So let's start. We will be doing a career spread. So your our first message will be what's currently going on in your mind. Second will be are you on the right path? Your third will be what obstacles or struggles, challenges are you facing? Fourth will be how you can overcome it. So let me adjust it and we will start with the reading. So guys, let's start and here's our first card. So currently, what are you thinking? So what's going on in your mind? Currently, what I'm seeing is you are waiting for that right time. Like you're doing your efforts, you're doing each and everything. Maybe you're also working on yourself, or now you have come across that clarity that maybe you need to focus on yourself, that is chakras, because a lot of you know we say no, like a lot of awakening, not awakening as such, but a lot of clarity people are getting that whatever in life we are facing, that is all at times because we have some blockages in our chakras on so and so, and now maybe you're getting that clarity that I need to work on myself. So this thing is going on in your mind. Another thing, you're waiting for that ray of hope, like when will that opportunity arrive, or when will your divine timing come? This is what I feel with this card, that you're waiting for that. Like you still have hopes. Maybe some of you're again starting from zero, so you still have that hope within you, and some of you're waiting for that renewal, that uh, you know particular thing, that yes, now I can do all again. This is what I'm saying. Second card will be are you on the right path? Okay, yes, 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 you are on the right path. Great, that's a great thing. And you will be also getting an opportunity. Beautiful. But please see to that this opportunity doesn't make you greedy. That's the thing. Like maybe this may, force you to take up some shortcuts or on wrong paths or so. But yes, you are on the right path. This is what I would say. But just be careful, like you just don't overflow with it. This is what I would say. Fine, now let's see what obstacles are you facing. Oh, very clear cut message is there that you're not able to trust, or you're not listening to your inner guidance. This is what I am saying. Maybe you're not even looking for the pros and cons. This is what I feel. With this pentacle over here, you are more focused to earn more and more, and this is what I felt with this second card also. So guys, as I said you, that you need to be very mindful about what path you are choosing, what action you are taking. That shouldn't be a wrong one, or such actions that may land you into trouble in near future. So please be very mindful about it, because I guess some of them are doing it and you're not able to listen to your inner guidance. This is what I'm feeling it. You're not even seeing the pros and cons. This is what I'm seeing over here. Please, you have a lot of experience, you have each and everything. This is what I'm saying, but still you're blindfolded. This is what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm not discouraging anyone, I'm not trying to scare you, but I'm feeling over here that your inner voice is trying to warn you again and again that be very mindful, that what path are you choosing, whatever like you're trying to do, is that even correct or not? You're ignoring your inner voice. This is what I'm basically saying, but just for the sake of this, this is what I'm saying. So please be very mindful about it. Maybe this can be a thing that you, you are interested in some other career path, but because of pressure from house and from society, you are choosing some another path. Please don't do that. Okay, just because whatever career your family wants you to do, or your society is pressurizing to do, like relatives and all, it will give you more money also, and what you wish to do, maybe it won't be as much as what your family is telling you to do. but it will give you soul satisfaction. This is what I would say. You will be feeling very happy for doing what you wish to do. So be very mindful about it. So let's see how you can overcome it. Okay, okay. Page of Cups, and yes, I am seeing that you will get an opportunity, you will get a chance where you will, try, you can come out of it. This is what I'm completely seeing. But can you see the darkness in the here over here? And other than darkness, there are some chains over here. See, so maybe as I felt looking at this card, that you have, you're choosing, or you have chosen such a career, or maybe some steps you are taking that are not good also. You will get an opportunity to come out of it. This is what I'm seeing. Or maybe you're looking for an opportunity, but seems to be you're trapped in that darkness of uh, family pressure, society pressure, or if I go, what my inner voice is telling, or if I go, like what my I feel to do, and then how will be it and all. Because of that, I'm sensing this darkness. Like some of them can perceive, this is what I'm saying, but with this darkness I'm seeing some obstacles. There will be, but at least you are taking one step ahead. You will get an opportunity. This is what I would say. Clearly I'm seeing it. Some emotional thing will happen, and that may help you to come out of this stuck situation. But you have to decide what to do, what not to do. You may feel trapped with that chains over here. This is what I'm saying. And because of that, the darkness around. This is what I would say. Like I'm seeing some of you coming out, but still you will face some challenges. This is what I'm seeing, because you need to come out of this darkness and these trap chains, right? And for some of you, you will be wondering what to do, what not to do. Like divine will give you, there will be a divine intervention. You will get an opportunity. Again, I'm repeating myself, but all depends upon you. So please, it's your call. After all, I'm just trying to guide you. And one thing I would say, that always listen to your heart. Please see what your heart is seeking for it, and your inner voice, because it will never give you the wrong advice. This is what I would say. So, guys, this was the reading with respect to your career, and this was only with respect to your career. Okay. And if you have understood, if you like the reading, then please let me know in comments. Do like the reading, do like the video, and if you want a separate video based only for money, then let me know. I will make a video on that. Till then, thank you so much.